Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing the brand new Honor Magic 8 Pro, a flagship built to offer something with an advanced camera system, powerful AI tools, incredible battery life. This phone is shaping up to be one of the most impressive devices in 2025. But let's break it all down in this review. The Magic 8 Pro is engineered for durability. You are getting IP68 and IP69K ratings, meaning it's fully waterproof, dustproof, and even resistant to high-pressure water jets and heat. The front also uses Honor's nanocrystal shield glass, offering 10 times better drop resistance and backed by a 365 days front and back crack protection warranty. Simply put, this is one of the toughest phones you can buy in 2025. You are looking at a stunning 6.71-inch LTPO OLED display that reaches up to 6000 nits HDR peak brightness, double what other phones can achieve today. Outdoor visibility is excellent. When it comes to scrolling, it is ultra smooth thanks to 1 to 120Hz LTPO. And Honor includes 8 eye comfort technologies such as 4320Hz PWM dimming, natural tone, motion sickness relief, hardware level, low blue light, and industry-first flicker detection sensor to identify harsh lighting in real time. Powering the Magic 8 Pro is the world's fastest chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. With Honor and Qualcomm joint optimization, you'll get 20% faster CPU performance, 23% faster GPU performance, and 37% faster NPU performance compared to the last generation. Not just that, you'll get up to 35% lower power consumption. Experience-wise, apps open instantly, gaming is smooth, and AI features run effortlessly. Paired with Magic OS 10 on Android 16. And it also offers version upgrades coming throughout the years. The Magic 8 Pro is designed to stay fast for years to come. Here are the benchmark scores that we got. Have a look. Now, to the main highlight, the top-tier flagship camera system. It includes a 50-megapixel ultra-night main camera, a 200-megapixel ultra-night periscope telephoto with 3.7 times optical zoom, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 122 degrees field of view, and finally, a front camera which is 50 megapixel. Honor's Imagine engine enhances the entire experience through outstanding low-light performance with better exposure control and cleaner texture, especially during blue hour and golden hour. It comes with industry-leading SIPA 5.5 stabilization, equivalent to professional DSLR camera. Handheld telephoto shots come out unbelievably sharp. The Portrait engine improves 3D face rendering, better skin tones, and beautiful depth separation with multiple portrait focal length. Telephoto macro also allows stunning close-up wildlife and architecture shots. The Magic 8 Pro brings several new AI-powered tools for photographers, such as Magic Color. It can recreate cinematic tones and lets you build your own custom templates, and this can be applied live while shooting. The upgraded AI Eraser removes wrinkles, moe patterns, and other distractions intelligently. AI Moving Photo 2.0 adds slow motion, motion trail, and motion clone for creative movement shots. And customizable AI camera button lets you assign your preferred camera or AI shortcuts to single, double, or long press. The phone packs a massive 7100 mAh silicon carbon battery, which gives you 100-watt wired fast charging, which is a full charge in 48 minutes, or 80-watt wireless charging, which is a full charge in 60 minutes. It also comes with reverse wireless plus 5-watt reverse wired charging and A 5 minutes of charge gives you 3 hours of YouTube playback. Battery-wise, this is one of the strongest advantages in this device. Thanks to Honor C1 Plus RF chip and enhanced antenna structure, network performance is stronger than before, especially in weak signal area. So, let's get on to our verdict and conclusion. Is the Honor Magic 8 Pro worth it? Well, if you want a phone with an industry-leading camera system, a super bright display, next-level durability, strong AI tools, outstanding battery life, and the fastest chip available in 2025, this phone delivers clear value that stands apart from the others. The Magic 8 Pro is easily one of the complete devices that is available today. So that's all I have to say on this review on the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Do let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.